My name is Dr. Kailash Mantri. I am a life coach and a mental health consultant. We are situated in India, Mumbai. More than 100 mental illnesses we are curing without medicines, and more than 100 physical illnesses also we are curing without medicines. All the mental illnesses, if you go through Google, you will find a common language that these diseases are not curable but they can be controlled. Today we'll be talking on asthma, and about asthma also, if you search on Google, you will get the same message कि this is not curable but asthma can be controlled. There are many medications for asthma treatment, and if the situation aggravates, inhaler is also handy for temporary relief. If you find the causes of asthma, the common language is it is not known. My research says that causes are very clear. The causes are 80% psychological and emotional, and 20% causes are physical. And all these 20% physical causes, if you go deep into it, the root cause of all these physical reasons are also psychological. Now we are very confident that asthma is curable and it is not a lifelong disease. Now let's discuss what could be the psychological reasons. Fear, suppressed anger, introvert nature, diplomatic person, hypocrite person, person who wants to hide more than talk, person who is nervous, stress, anxiety, insecurity, tensions, and there are more than 50 reasons why one gets asthma attack. Normally, children get this attack, but there is no age bar. Even adult at the age of 60 could also become an asthma patient. But normally, children get this disease, and it is often get this disease, and more than 10-15% children get cure also by the time they reach the age 25. And it is also seen that children who have got the problem of cold, cough, and who are lazy, lethargic, and not doing much of exercise, they get this asthma attack very frequently. It can be categorized as asthma attack only if it comes at least 3 times a year. Otherwise, once in a while, people who cry excessively, they also sometimes are the victim of breathlessness. Now let's understand when a person could be said asthmatic, and what are the symptoms we see in a person or a child, and we can say this is an asthma attack. So let's see what are the signs and symptoms of an asthma patient. There is a shortness of breath, chest tightness and pain in the chest, coughing or wheezing. Sometimes there is a respiratory virus also. A sports person who is doing excessive exercise can also get it. Asthma attack can occur few times a day and or few times a week, depending on the person. Asthma is a condition in which your airways either get narrowed or get swelled and produce extra mucus. This may cause breathing difficulties and can trigger coughing, wheezing, breathlessness, or shortness of breath. Now let's discuss the physical reasons. The first and the foremost physical reason is lack of oxygen. Either the person breathing is very shallow, or he is staying in an area where air quality is not good. Second could be cold and cough. If the person is suffering from cold and cough for long, he is inviting asthma attack. Smoking can also aggravate, pollution can also aggravate, and sometimes the kitchen fog can also disturb and trigger asthma attack. Now let's discuss the psychological symptoms of children who has got asthma attack. These children are found restless, violent, suppressed anger, anxiety, and the families which are very strict, dominating, not giving freedom to the child, overprotective, overpossessive parents, separated parents, and parents who are used to shouting and yelling at each other or at children. Sometimes parents who have got anxiety, their children are the victim of asthma attack. A financial difficulty with the parents can also trigger an asthma attack in the children. Now let's discuss the latest research on what are the facts of asthma and what are the myths about asthma. These myths are once upon a time were thought as facts. So let's first discuss the myths. The first myth is that it is hereditary or genetic, which is not true. The latest research says it is neither hereditary nor it is genetic. Second myth is that over the period asthma patient will get cured by their own, which happens only with 10 to 15% children. Third myth is nobody dies of asthma, so people take it very casual in the initial period. Next myth is asthma patient should not do exercise. Medication and inhaling machines are the only solution. Overweight people are more likely to get asthma. Again, not true. Asthma has no cure. Again, it is not true. Now let's come to the fact. You'll be very delighted. The first fact is asthma is 100% curable. Now depend how old is your asthma. If it has come recently, it can get cured in minimum 10 days and maximum 30 days. If your asthma is more than 10-year-old, it will take minimum 100 days and maximum 1 year to get cure 100%. A 10-day trial treatment can remove all your doubts that asthma is not curable. We are 100% confident that asthma is curable 100%. We have got review videos also, but these videos are in Hindi. You can ask for it. 40 crore people all over the world. That means 400 million people all over the world are affected by asthma. 4 lakhs people die due to asthma every year. There is no age bar for asthma attack, but children are more likely to get asthma than other age people. Mostly young children get the asthma. Smoking can attract asthma. It can aggravate also asthma. Medication and inhalation are useful only in emergency, and if you use it over the period, it gets difficult to cure asthma. And here the law of attraction works. Anything which you are into habit of using, even though it is of no help to you, but still you cannot leave it because of fear. Because the moment you try to leave it, your mind gets triggered. Ki I'm leaving the inhaler now, I'm leaving the medicine now, again the attack will come, again the attack will come, again the attack will come, and it comes. Asthma is the most chronic illness in children, and the studies are very much disturbed. People do die from asthma attack. So let me sum up. The root cause of asthma is either psychological or emotional, and more than 80% reasons are this only. We have developed a very transparent test. We have named it as mind mapping test. There are more than 500 questions, and the test is given by the patient himself, and within 20 minutes the patient is also clear the root cause of asthma, and we are also clear that what is the treatment which has to be given to the patient. Now we have started an online program also. You need not come to our center. It's a minimum 1 month course, and you can see the difference. You can see the progress within 1 month of treatment also. Let's discuss the home remedy which all asthma patient has to do it as a ritual. Pranayam. Second is taking steams regularly. Third is taking hot tea, hot water, and the next is hot food. The more heat is generated in the body, the less is the asthma attack. Now let's discuss what food to avoid and what food to take by an asthma patient. Let's first discuss food to avoid. Dairy products, all dairy products, including milk. Bakery products, all bakery products, bread, biscuits, cakes. Third is oily and spicy food. Next is smoking. Next is soft food like tomatoes, chilies, spicy food. Now let's discuss what food to take. One more list on food to avoid is soft drinks and any cold storage food. Now let's discuss what food are good for the asthma patients. So let's conclude that temporary and emergency treatment is pranayam, which has to be done for a long time. Medication and inhaler has to be always be handy. Once again I say asthma is now curable, and the progress can be seen in our 1 month program also, and it is 80% psychological and 20% physical. Behind all the physical reasons there are psychological reasons, and we are 100% confident of helping asthma patients. Thank you.